Hi guys, this is my fluffy Ruffle Fern. And I actually keep this in my bathroom. And I should say this too, I move my plants around constantly. Not everybody does this. This one just actually got repotted. I put stone on the bottom and dirt on the top. Something I really don't like to do. I usually like to have my plants have extra great drainage. But this particular plant, like all ferns, it loves the constant light I leave on in my bathroom. It also loves the steam it gets from the tub. It seems to be happy. I had divided it and things like that, so it's not as big as it could be, but look how beautiful the ruffles are. I would say that if you pick up one of these, the best thing to do is to put it in a room that has high humidity, a light bulb. Like I keep mine in the bathroom under a light bulb. They actually do better than in the sun or anything like that. And they just flourish. And as far as heat, just the normal heat that you'd have in your house anyway. It says medium light here on this, on the fluffy Ruffle Fern. But I've been pretty happy with it. Beginning of the year when I first got all my plants, I wanted to learn how to propagate, so I propagated everything. So he could be a lot bigger, but I did divide it and, gave some of it away and such. But you can see how beautiful the leaves are. So it's really pretty. It's really ruffly looking. And I'm hoping to get this guy really nice and big. If you get a fluffy Ruffle Fern and you want it bigger, guess what? Start off buying it big or buy a bunch of little ones and put them together. So there you go. The fluffy Ruffle Fern. And as far as watering, it's winter. So I'm going to water it probably once a month. I'm not going to water it at all until this dirt is stone dry. I never water any of my plants unless the dirt is completely dry. I found that if you have a problem watering plants, you need more plants. That way you're not constantly watering them and killing them, because overwatering is the #1 cause of killing your plants. So there you go, the fluffy Ruffle Fern. Okay, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.